Hi guys, Robin here with WTA. I want to talk about this SPTA cordless car buffer. This cordless car buffer is fantastic. It has up to 6 speeds. It does come with 2 batteries that you can use. I love the fact that it is cordless because I am in an apartment and I don't have access near to a power point and my car, so this is perfect. The ergonomic design gives you multiple hold options, which is really great depending on what type of car you have and what position you need to be in. This is great, unlike some that can only be used in one position. It comes with a 5-inch and 6-inch disc base and also the matching pads. This makes tedious jobs like applying polish really easy, and it gives you a really nice finish as well. The great benefit of this buffer is it is a random orbit, so you don't have to worry about, even as a beginner, accidentally leaving circles in your paintwork. It is a really, really nice addition. You can see it there that it does not consistently circle, it does vary its angles. Another great feature is the way this is designed, that when it is placed on a surface, the pad does not come in contact with it, making sure dirt doesn't get stuck in it. The blue microfiber towel that is included has also a soft edge, so you aren't going to undo all that hard work you did trying to get a nice shine by scratching it with the microfiber towel. So guys, we really love it. It makes a tedious job so much easier, but that's just my point of view.